Welcome back my YouTube channel Supercars TV 99. The Hummer Luxury RV is a bold new entrant in the world of high-end recreational vehicles, combining the rugged power of a Hummer with the opulence of a luxury mobile home. This machine is not just a vehicle, it's an experience designed for those who crave adventure without compromising on comfort and style. The design speaks volumes about strength and sophistication, effortlessly capturing attention wherever it goes. Whether cruising through the city or conquering off-road terrain, the Hummer Luxury RV is engineered to dominate both in performance and presence. The exterior of the Hummer RV boasts a commanding look, staying true to the brand's iconic, aggressive styling. The front bumper is crafted to handle tough terrains, fitted with LED fog lamps and a heavy-duty skid plate that adds to its durability and road readiness. Massive alloy wheels, all-terrain tires, and flared arches complete the off-road ready aesthetic. With built-in tow hooks and roof-mounted lighting, this RV isn't just about looks, so it's equipped for action. From every angle, it screams power, with sharp lines and a wide stance that makes it feel like a fortress on wheels. Moving along the sides, the build quality and detailing are immediately evident. Retractable electric steps glide out when doors open, offering easy access while maintaining a clean design when closed. Large panoramic windows line the sides, letting in ample natural light and offering stunning views from inside. An automatic awning extends at the push of a button, providing instant shade and shelter. Storage compartments are seamlessly integrated, maximizing functionality without compromising the sleek design. The sheer length and height of this vehicle command attention and offer a glimpse into the spacious luxury within. Please subscribe my YouTube channel Supercar TV 99. Stepping inside, the interior of the Hummer Luxury RV is a world apart. Every inch has been carefully crafted using premium materials like Italian leather, real wood accents, and polished metal trims. The layout is smart and elegant, featuring a full living area with plush reclining seats, a dining space with a fold-out table, and a fully equipped kitchenette. The kitchen includes a compact induction cooktop, microwave, refrigerator, and ample storage, making it easy to cook gourmet meals on the road. A smart lighting system and multi-zone climate control create a personalized environment suited for every mood and weather condition. At the rear, the RV houses a luxurious master suite complete with a queen-size bed, overhead storage, and reading lights. The bathroom features a spacious shower, ceramic toilet, and stylish vanity, all finished with high-quality fixtures. Everything is designed with comfort and convenience in mind. There's also an entertainment system with a large LED TV, surround sound, and satellite connectivity, turning downtime into a high-end cinematic experience. The back of the RV also includes a fully functional utility hatch and optional bike rack or extra cargo space, depending on configuration. The Hummer Luxury RV is priced in the ultra-premium segment, reflecting its build quality, features, and capabilities. While the exact cost can vary based on customizations, it positions itself competitively against other high-end RVs. Its launch has generated significant buzz in the automotive and luxury travel communities, with pre-orders already showing strong interest, whether for road trips, off-grid adventures, or simply to travel in unmatched style. The Hummer Luxury RV sets a new standard in mobile luxury living.